Hi, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to plan your menu for a month. In step 1, we're going to take inventory of what we have in a pantry, fridge, and freezer. In the description box below is a link to all of the inventory and shopping list sheets that I created on Google Docs. So to start off my inventory sheets, I inventory my freezer first, and I just have them laminated so that I can reuse them each month, and I just use a wet erase. So to do an inventory, you go through and you just put tallies on everything that you have. So in my freezer, I know that I have 3 packages of steak. I know that I have a ham, 2 bacon, so now I have my filled out inventory. Here is my fridge sheets that I use each month to inventory what I have in my refrigerator. Here is my inventory for the pantry. So that has completed my pantry inventory. Now that my inventory is complete, I can go about making my menu for the month. Step 2, we're going to fill out life events on our calendar. When planning your menu, you also want to schedule a night for leftovers so that that food doesn't go to waste. Here I have set up on my menu certain nights we're not going to be cooking dinner or that we have an activity planned. We plan leftovers for Monday night because our trash is picked up on Tuesday, so that way we can clean out the refrigerator of anything that wasn't consumed and it won't smell up the trash can. We have an eat out night for the family, and then I also have a scheduled date night with my husband where we get to go out and enjoy ourselves. So now that those are filled in, we can begin planning our meal. So I'm going to start with my freezer inventory to fill out my menu plan. I find it best so that I do not repeat the same meats in the same week that I work from the top row down to the bottom row instead of across the week. Working down allows me to group meats together by the day so that we're not eating chicken or beef 3 times in 1 week. When planning your menu, it's important to start off small and work yourself up. Start with a week and then work yourself to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, up to a month. That way, you're not overwhelmed in all the decisions that need to be made. Plan ahead. Look at sales and flyer ads for your local grocery stores so that you can look for the next week on having ideas on what to make, getting things at a cheaper cost. I cross that off over here. That way I can keep track of what I've used and what I haven't. So next, we're going to put in a steak. And I've got one more. So we're going to put the roast. So there, my Saturdays are done. Next, we're going to work on Friday. So I'm going to go with my chicken. So we're going to go here, and I'm going to do a chicken and artichoke dish because I know that I have artichokes on my pantry. I have it written in, and now I'm going to remove those items off my list so that I keep track of those are planned for meals. For the next week for chicken, I'm going to do chicken wings. So now here I have baked chicken, but I've used up the chicken that I have. I go to my shopping list and know that I need to get another chicken, so that's added there. So I'll continue to fill out my menu plan and mark off on my inventory sheets, and then anything extra that I need I will add to my shopping list. And then I will go through, once I've decided the meat dishes, then I will go through my pantry inventory and add my sides. So here's a few days that are completed with my sides. Chicken artichoke with cream spinach, hamburger and tater tots, chicken wings and salad, steak and green beans, chicken parm and spaghetti, baked chicken and mashed potatoes, roast and corn. So now I've removed those items from my pantry list and added what I needed to my shopping list. Now I'm prepared to go shopping. Make it work for your family. Avoid eating out will save you lots of money. When planning your shopping trip, it's important to know your budget. We set about $100 a month per person as recommended by our financial advisor. We've been able to stay within that budget and still purchase a lot of variety of meals, but we always keep our budget in mind. We take cash to the store because it creates a different environment when you're purchasing other than swiping a card. You have an emotional response to spending that money. Therefore, you're more conscious of what you put in your cart. Do I really need this? When going to the store, always make sure you look for the lowest cost item. Shop by the per ounce price and not the total price. Sometimes they can be confusing when they're sold in different sizes. Take all of your stuff with you. Take your inventory sheets, your meal plan, your shopping list. Take it all to the store. Buy a generic brand. It's going to save you more money. Sometimes you can use coupons that'll save you on a name brand item, but a lot of times I've found that using those coupons doesn't save you as much as if you just purchased a generic brand. Never buy pre-cut produce at the grocery store. It always costs more. Make sure you price shop. Look at different stores for different items. Some stores you're going to save on some things. Some stores are going to be more expensive on others. Plan to have enough time to go to multiple stores. If you like this video, subscribe now, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Let me know what else you'd like to see.